It's time for another DIY Network Yard Crashers Quick Tip.
I'm Matt Blashaw with a simple project to turn a basic gutter into a delicious herb rack.
Start by spacing 4 pieces of redwood equal distance apart and attach them to a couple of 2x8 boards. Using a pair of tin snips, cut down the metal rain gutters to fit the span of your 4 horizontal boards. Join the end caps to the gutter and crimp the edges. Pre-drill holes in the gutters and fasten them to the wood. Then drill drainage holes in the bottom of each gutter and stain the posts. Stand the rack upright and fill it full of herbs and vegetables to create your vertical garden.
Final step, harvest and season to taste.
For all things home improvement, go to DIYNetwork.com 24/7.